What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to import a photo onto a note in the iPhone Notes app. So this is actually probably a lot simpler than you think. So once you get your Notes app open, you're just going to type where you want the note to be. And then you're going to see right above your text, your keyboard, there's going to be a little camera icon. It's on the top toolbar. I just hit it. And then from here, you're either going to choose a photo or video or take one. I'm just going to choose this photos I have of my inflatable alien. And there you go. You have your photos imported into the Notes app. You could easily just hit next to the photo if you'd like to delete it, and then it'll just highlight the photo, and you could just delete it from there. And you could also scroll across to see all the photos in the notes if you'd like, if you have a lot of text and you just want to look through the pictures like I did before. But that is pretty much all there is to it. If you were confused or have any questions about this, just drop a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.